Hey, everybody. Welcome to Let's Make Dinner, your audio library of amazing dinner recipes you can always get on the table. I'm your host, Susie Weinrich. All right, what's up, everybody? So today I'm excited to share with you a recipe for potato salad. I think that if there's one thing every home cook should know how to make, it's a really good potato salad. And for years, my mom's potato salad, of course, was the best. And of course, she didn't have a recipe she was following. She just made it from her heart every single time, and it turned out perfect. And so I tried to taste test it over the years and tried to copycat it, and I think I came really close. So I want to share this recipe with you today so that you can make really good potato salad in your kitchen. All right, so we're going to start this recipe by cooking the potatoes. You need 3.5 cups of cooked russet potatoes. So I like to peel them and then quarter them, and then I'm going to put them in just room temperature water. Always start your potatoes in room temperature water so that they cook more evenly all the way through. And you also want to salt your water really, really well. So just cook up those potatoes for probably about 25 to 30 minutes until they're pretty much fork tender. And then you'll want to drain those and cool them. Now let's make the dressing for the potato salad. I like a little bit saucier potato salad, so we're going to go in with 1 2/3 cup of mayonnaise, not Miracle Whip, you want mayonnaise, 1.5 tablespoons of yellow mustard, 4 teaspoons of sugar just to balance the flavor. 1 teaspoon of white vinegar is going to add just a little bit of a tang. And then 1.5 teaspoons of kosher salt, which I forgot to add if you're watching the video, so I add it later. Get that all stirred up really, really well, and then you can just actually set that to the side until we're ready for it. Now, in our potato salad, we like to add celery and green onions. So I do 1/2 cup of celery in a pretty fine dice. You don't want huge chunks of celery in your potato salad. You just want it to add kind of a fresh crunch. Also 1/2 cup of chopped green onions. And I like to use the white and light green parts of the green onion that has the most onion flavor. Now we're going to go in with 5 chopped hard-boiled eggs. If you're going to make a potato salad, you better be putting eggs in it. And we like a lot of eggs in our potato salad. So 5 large eggs is perfect. All right, let's say your potatoes are all cooled, drained, ready to use. Here's the tip with your potatoes. You don't want to dice them up with a knife. With clean hands, just break the potatoes apart and kind of mash some of the potatoes. That will give you really nice craggy edges and not uniform potatoes. And I think that that gives your potato salad a really nice texture. And then also those craggy edges hold on to that sauce a little bit better, and it's just perfection. You also want to break the potatoes down into probably like 1/2 inch pieces. I think something to match the dice of the egg is a good blend. So just like a chili, potato salad is best if it can sit in the fridge just a little while. So if you have an hour, great, pop it in the fridge. If you have 24 hours, wonderful, pop it in the fridge, give it a little stir right before it's time to eat. I would even taste test right before you eat, just to make sure you don't want to adjust the flavors a little bit. With potato salad, you never know how much dressing the potatoes are going to absorb. If your potatoes absorbed a lot of water when they were cooking, it might change the flavor profile after the potato salad sits in the fridge. So after you taste it, if you feel like you need a little flavor boost, add a little salt, add maybe just a dash of mustard or Dijon mustard, stir it back up. If you feel like your potato salad got a little too tangy, you can add a little bit more mayonnaise and maybe another teaspoon of sugar. Get that mixed in. If you feel like your potato salad is looking a little dry, if the potatoes absorbed quite a bit of the dressing, you can just mix up a 1/2 batch of the dressing and add it as needed, stir it up, should be good to go. If you want a little more tang in your potato salad, then add just a dash of white vinegar. White vinegar is pretty powerful, so you just need maybe like a half a teaspoon and maybe a couple squirts of yellow mustard will do the trick for you. So I hope that you try this potato salad in your kitchen, and if you do, I would love to have you comment either on the recipe or on this podcast and let me know how it worked for you and how you loved it and what you served it with. So until next time, I hope that this recipe for potato salad helps you feel like a success in your kitchen. We'll chat next week. See ya.